Hi, I'm Tanisha and you're watching this video with justtutors.com. Today we are going to learn about playing with numbers. In this video, we'll first of all work with numbers in journal forms and then we'll be playing some games with numbers. Before moving on to the topic, let us try some warm-up questions first. If you want to try the questions by yourself, you can pause the video and match your answers later. Let's start with question number 1. Identify the numbers. So the first number is 12, which is a whole number. Then the second number, which is 1.2, is a decimal number. And then the third number, which is 3.333 and so on, would again be a decimal number. However, it will be a recurring decimal. Let's come to question number 2. Write the following numbers in generalized form. So generalized form means breaking the number in the chunks, and if we try to write the number in the generalized form, it would be 10 times 2 add 5, because the number is 25, so this is how we can write that down in generalized form. Likewise, if we try for the second number, which is 65, the answer would be 10 times 6 add 5. Let's come to question number 3. Divide that given number by 9. So if we try to divide it by 9, the answer would be 2381843. This would be our answer. Now let's move on to the topic. There. So we'll be working with numbers in journal forms. We have already learned about various types of numbers such as natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. And we have even studied various properties of numbers like finding factors and multiples. So in this topic, we'll explore numbers in more details, which will help us in justifying the divisibility tests as well. Let's consider a two-digit number, which is AB, where A and B are the two digits. In journal, it can be written as AB is equal to 10 times A add 1 times B. So if you want, you can think of the place values as well. A is on the tens place and hence it is being multiplied by 10, and B is on the ones place and hence it is being multiplied by 1. But don't forget to keep an addition sign in between. Hence the generalized form is 10A plus B. Likewise, if we interchange the digits, B comes to the tens place and A goes to the ones place, the answer would be 10 times B add A, which is 1 times A again. And so it will be 10B add A. Let's try to do that with a 3-digit number. Let us assume any number like ABC. Again, we need to think of the place values. And since A is on the hundreds place this time, hence the generalized form would be 100 times A add 10 times B, because that's on the tens place now, then add 1 times C, because C is on the ones place. Likewise, if we interchange the digits again, BCA and CAB, the generalized form would change accordingly. Can we try it for a 4-digit number as well? I'm sure we can. For now, we'll move to the next slide, which is games with numbers. Let's play a game now. Think of a 2-digit number and follow the following steps. Choose a 2-digit number. We'll play that together, so we'll be assuming any digit for now. Let's say it is 32. Now the next step says to reverse the digits to get a new number. So if we interchange the digits, the new number would be 23. Now the third step says to add the numbers to the original number. So we need to add the new number and the original number, and I believe the answer for that is going to be 55. Let's move to the next step, which is divide the number by 11. So if we divide it, the answer would be 5. Do we have any remainder here? No. What do you notice about your answer? That the answer is actually the sum of the digits with which you have started, 32. 3 add 2 is equal to 5. Let's test it with some different number. Let the number be 18 this time. So again, if we are reversing the digits, the new number would be 81. And if we add them up, the answer would be 99. And if we divide it by 11, a final answer would be 9, again with no remainder at all. And then the answer is again the sum of the digits with which we started. So this was the game with the numbers, and now let's move to the practice time there. This is question number 1, where we need to generalize the numbers, and this question number 2, a little game again. After solving the questions, you can match your answers right here. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please log on to justtutors.com.